Good morning. Today's October 19th and today's refinishing project is located in Castro Valley, California. Okay, so today in Castro Valley we're going to be refinishing this clawfoot bathtub here. Really nice bathtub. It's been refinished before, so we're going to have to strip off the old coating, get it down to the bare surface and fully prep and refinish it in a gloss white. The outside of the bathtub is this tan color. It's in really good condition, so the exterior doesn't need to be refinished. So we'll just be refinishing the inside of the bathtub today. All right, so this is the job for today. This beautiful clawfoot bathtub here in Castro Valley, California. And we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so we just finished up the clawfoot bathtub here in Castro Valley, California. Let's take a look. So before it had the old coating on there, we had to fully strip it off, clean it, sand it down, mask off the bathroom, and prime and refinish. The exterior of the tub was done already and it's in really good condition, so we didn't mess with the outside of the tub, the inside only. So but it turned out really nice and shiny, nice new clean look, similar to the toilet and the pedestal sink that they have in here. All right, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.